This is how some employers get away with cheating workers out of their legally mandated benefits and, in some cases, putting their lives at risk. Step 1. Create a shell company. They start a staffing agency or labor outfit, often with a vague name and sometimes even using a family member as the front. Step 2. Skip workers' comp. By not buying the legally required workers' compensation insurance, or a bogus certificate that says they are insured, but they are not, they avoid tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars in premiums. Some say their workers are independent contractors. Others just lie outright. Step 3. Hide injuries, silence complaints. When workers get injured, they're told to go home and rest. They're discouraged from filing claims and sometimes even threatened with termination or deportation. Step 4. Run it for 2 to 3 years. The company grows fast because it's illegally cheap to operate. No comp premiums, no benefits, no accountability. Step 5. Get caught. Eventually, a whistleblower speaks up, or the state audits them, or someone gets seriously injured and files a public complaint. Step 6. Declare bankruptcy. Here's the kicker. Once they're caught, they shut down the company, walk away from the debts, and start all over again under a new name. It's a playbook that's repeated itself over and over again, victim after victim, industry after industry. Staffing, agriculture, security, janitorial, food production. The names change, but the story remains the same. And while this particular scheme might sound like a well-executed Ponzi scheme, it's actually perfectly legal. The way the law is set up, it incentivizes fraud. Employers have little to lose and much to gain by skirting their legal responsibilities. For the workers, the damage is devastating. No medical care for serious injuries, no wage replacement during recovery, no protection from retaliation. While the workers are left hanging, the employers walk free. Sometimes they're fined. Occasionally they're charged, but more often than not, they negotiate down their penalties, avoid jail, and return under a new corporate identity. If you or someone you know was injured working for a company without workers' comp insurance, there's still hope. File a claim through California's Uninsured Employers Benefits Trust Fund or the UEBTF. Document everything: witnesses, pay stubs, text messages, medical visits. Seek legal help. You may have the right to sue the employer personally. Join forces with organizations like the Workers' Rights Compliance Alliance or the WRCA. We investigate these employers, expose their fraud, and connect victims with real legal help. These scams don't just hurt individual workers. They damage the entire economy. Law-abiding employers get priced out. Workers' trust in the system erodes and fraud becomes normalized. That's why we need to talk about this.